Hi, welcome to the video tutorial for MDU eLibrary. In this tutorial video, we'll be covering all the features and content services available on the MDU eLibrary platform. Let's begin. We'll first begin by looking at how you can access the platform and sign into your own personalized account to take full benefit of the platform services. The MDU eLibrary platform sits at mdu.refread.com. Please make sure you don't use www in the URL. mdu.refread.com is good enough. The first thing that you need to do is log in into the platform. Click on this login button and you can log in using your registered email address and a password. In case you don't have an account, please contact the library and the library staff will register you on the platform. We have already registered all the staff members, students and scholars of the university. In case you haven't received your login details, please write to these email addresses or WhatsApp on the number provided in the footer. If you have forgotten your password, you can always recover it using the forgot password link. To log in, just use your registered email address, password, and you're good to go. Once you are logged in into the platform, you have full access to its collections and services. You can see your past readings on the home page so that you can resume reading whatever you might have left in between. You get to see the recommended content, ebooks, journals, and videos curated by the library staff. You can keep up with news headlines, curated news headlines from different domains, and these are updated on daily basis. You get to see what's trending in the MDU campus, what other users like you are reading. There's a dedicated section to collections. We'll talk about this in a while. And of course, the platform shows the top users on the home page. The eLibrary also comes as a fully native app available on both Apple App Store and Google Play Store, which you can download on your phone and access all the library collections from. In the next part, let's look at all the eCollections available on the eLibrary and how you can browse them on the platform. To browse eCollections by subject, just click on this link and you will find the every discipline, every course that's covered in MDU, and you can just click on any link. Let's say I click on the physics. I'll have more than 37,000 resources related to physics available on the eLibrary that I can read full text of. Likewise, you can browse any of these disciplines. You can also browse by publishers. You will find all the databases, all the journals, all the ebook collections subscribed to different publishers available on the platform. Let's say I click on Elsevier Journals and I can click on any journal. Let's say this one. I'll click on the read button, and whenever you click on the read button, you can be rest assured that you will have full text access to any subscribed or open access resource. The platform does all the work and you are automatically authenticated on the platform as an authorized user of MDU, and you can enjoy full text of all the resources. You can read full text in HTML format, or you can download the PDF also. Basically, the same experience you would get in campus is now available through the eLibrary across the world 24/7 on any device. Let's just look at one more publisher now to see this remote authentication working. All the publishers that you see listed here have been fully integrated and you'll have 100% full text access to all the publishers. Let's try McGraw-Hill ebooks this time. I'll click on one of these ebooks. I'll click on the read button. Again, the platform does all the work and I'll be automatically authenticated as an MDU user and I can read the book online or offline. In some cases, like in case of McGraw-Hill ebook, in order to read it offline, you also have to install their reader on your phone or your laptop, but you will have 100% full text access. You can browse collection by media as well. If you're interested in a particular media format, ebooks, journals, video lectures, you can do that. You can browse A to Z. Let's just look at the entire collection of the library now. You will find close to 9,73,000 full text resources on the platform, out of which 66,000 are subscribed and 9 lakh resources are open access, quality open access resources curated from different platforms. I can use these filters to limit my results. Let's say I'm only interested in ebooks, subscribed ebooks. I apply these two filters and I'll go ahead and apply a filter on publisher as well and year of publication as well. Right, so I can apply multiple filters to limit my results, and I can use this clear all button to just remove all the applied filters. You will also find that on the platform we have built a few topical collections to cover resources from different branches of science, technology, and we'll keep on building these collections. An interesting collection on the platform is of MDU thesis, where you will find all the published thesis and dissertation works of different departments, and you can read the full text of all these theses through the platform. We are also uploading the question papers of previous years on the platform, and you'll find thousands of question papers from last 3 years available on the platform from all the departments. 100% full text, you can be rest assured that everything will open into a document in a PDF or an HTML format. The platform also has a very rich news service. The library team is working hard to curate news clippings related to MDU campus and some news which would be relevant to you. We're also pulling out automatic news headlines from different online news portals. And the good thing is that you can also subscribe to these news clippings by clicking on this bell icon, and the next day onwards you won't even have to come on the platform. The platform will start sending you news clips direct to your email inbox. The platform also has a great collection of expert talks curated from many channels like TED, Big Think, and all of these are again 100% full text lectures or expert talks, which will help you keep up with what's happening across the world. There's a rich collection of literary works as well, and you'll find all the famous authors in English, Hindi, Urdu, and Punjabi covered here. Uh, Most of these 16,000 titles are either in audiobook format or PDF format for you to enjoy. These were all the collections and content services available on the platform. And for the next part, let's see how search works on the platform. You can enter a keyword of your choice in this basic search bar at the top to look for publications related to any topic. I'm just going to type in geochemistry, and in one hit the platform shows me all the journals, ebooks, video lectures, thesis available to my query. I can again apply filters to limit search results. I can apply filter by type of access, by media type, publisher, author, or year of publication. If you want to look for articles related to your search query and not publications, just switch over the tab and the platform will do all the work for you. And I'm just going to show you some of the sources from where the search has fetched articles. You can always click on get more results to broaden your result base. You see the article count has increased and the search has brought in results from more publishers. I'm going to apply a filter for Taylor and Francis. The process is same. You can just click on the read button again to read any of these research articles. You don't need to go on publisher platforms and do your searches separately. eLibrary will do all the work for you, and every article that you find on the platform you will have full text access, because remote authentication works even in case of article search, right? So you'll have full text HTML or PDF access, and instead of doing searches on 20 different platforms, you can just do a single search. Now let's just do another few searches to learn some of the search strategies. So I've done a search on nanotechnology. I got about 227 results. I can further filter results by adding a keyword in this search within box. I've done keyword filtration on viral nanotechnology, and thus I got that result. Let's just try to search for the same book by adding viral nanotechnology in the search bar itself. If you see here, I haven't got that only that single result. I've got so many results because the platform is looking for both viral as well as nanotechnology as separate keywords. So you will of course have viral nanotechnology, but you will also have viral advertising or carbon nanotechnology and stuff like that. So you can just enter quotes on either sides of your search query to do exact search, which is when you will only receive the exact article, right? And now I'll show you some of the personalization features. I'll go back to my result set, and you will see that for every record I have this add to reading list button. In case I don't want to read this document right now, I want to save it for future reference, I can create as many folders as I want. I can save as many documents as I want to in the reading list, and all my reading lists are available here on this button. I click on this and you will find all your saved items in your reading list properly collated into different folders. So these are the two books I just saved. And what you can also do is you can select these documents, you can email the link of these two documents to your friends, to your peers. You can export citation in these three particular formats, right? So adding resources to your reading list also helps you manage your readings and manage your bibliography, your citations for any work that you might be authoring. The platform also has another feature called webhooks, which helps you save third-party web pages. So I'll show this right now. Let's say I look for nanotechnology Wikipedia page, right? Just as an example, I found this relevant to my research. I can just copy the URL and paste it here, right? The platform will fetch the metadata. I just need to add an author if it is not fetched. In this case, it wasn't. So I can just add a couple of metadata fields and save this document. And this third-party web page will always set up in my reading list. So that way I can, manage all my reading resources in my reading list. And I also have another facility to see my entire reading history. So whatever resources I have accessed in past, right, I can see the entire list on the platform. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can take maximum benefit of the MDU Library. In case you need any support, if you are not able to understand any feature on the platform, you are not able to find a resource, or if the full text of a certain document is not available, or if you have any feedback or suggestions for us, please feel free to write to us on the two email addresses currently showing on the screen. You can also WhatsApp us on the number provided here, and we'll be happy to help you. We'll be waiting for your feedback. We'll continue adding more content, services, and new features on the eLibrary to help you in your research and learning. Happy reading.